Hey, new day. Back working on the go. We're doing brakes and bearings. Brakes, bearings. This side needed a brake caliper, so we put that in. We put in new fresh brake lines, so they're all new and happy. And then up front, we pulled the front apart, and these brake rotors are just like, they have the weirdest, like, almost coating on them there. They're actually really, really unhappy looking. And the inside is filled with forest debris. A literal moth flew out of this one. I don't know where he came from, but it was tripped me out. So, and there's all the bearings. So we're gonna throw those in the old little cleaning tank there. And, oh, there's this one. This one here is really bad. Like, what happened to that thing? So, I gotta replace those. Those are not going back on the truck. And then we'll have clean bearings, all freshly oiled. We'll have fresh brakes. And then the goat will start and stop. Woo! Hey, I'm back. So, on the shop and working on the goat. And we're pretty stoked here. Everything's coming along. The hubs that I have are not right for this. So I have to go out to the boneyard and see if if I can basically just swap out the center guts. I can't quite get it. But I'm going to try and swap that. But otherwise, we got all new brakes on. And, oh, I'm pretty stoked. Got the back all together. And I got to do the shocks still. Haven't done those. And I haven't done the tail lights. But I'm moving forwards. I'm pretty pleased about it. Like, absolutely ecstatic. So, yeah, I'm going to run out to the boneyard and see if I can swap these hubs out. Okay, so we're going to grab this guy out of here. Oops. Maybe. Oh. Okay, I'll be back. I'm going to undo this clip. Good morning. Back in the shop. Working on the goat. And it's coming along pretty deadly. I'm really stoked. Steve's under it right now. He's just doing the last final touches on these gears. And so that's pretty deadly. And the front brakes are all in. Front brakes and hubs are all together now. So I'm very, very pleased about all that. And I got a little bit of paint. I got some overspray right here. And for some reason, like, looking at it just makes me absolutely mental. So I'm going to deal with that today. And then the tires are going to go on. And then what do we got? We got taillights. Gonna have to do something about taillights today. But then it's gonna be a running, driving, starting, stopping truck again. Oh, I'm so stoked. Okay, I'm gonna throw a little lipstick on this pig, give her a little paint, and I'll be back. That's better. Got one little spot there still. Next coat will get it. And then what I got up inside the wheel well is a little bit better. I'm gonna repaint those nice bright red, just because well, I can, and I'm gonna. And Steve's just doing the final pumping on the old bucket. Oh, we're so close. Oh, it's so good. That's so good. It's down on the ground. Awesome. Okay, good. Yeah. Hazard. Yeah. 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 Awesome. Woohoo! Oh, that's so good. Check her out, guys. Oh, it's so good. Got all the lights working. Oh, I'm just so stoked. Oh, I'm stoked. I'm like, oh, I should take that off. I'm like so happy about all this. Hey? Oh, that's so good. It's so good. I was having a little issue with the lights. I was having a little bit of issue with the lights, but it was just bad connection. Oh, so good. So good. Yeah! Oh, she's so beautiful. There's the back. That looks awesome. Oh, I might have got a little too dark in here. I had to re-aim my lights. They were a little bit off. And I'm missing one piece that goes right here. I'm gonna build something cool for there. But oh my gosh, I'm just so stoked. So stoked. Hey, you guys ever play that game of like, how high was I? I was just looking at the intake for this truck. You know, spinning around. And you could tell that when I made this, I didn't know how to weld very good. Because that's like a coupler to some plastic PVC with like that Fiberflex tape over top of that. Then it went down here to another, oh, that's a neck down. And then it came up here, and then it gets real skinny right before the engine. Oh, that's how fat it's supposed to be. So I'm guessing that's a part of my power problem. Like, this thing's just starved for air all the time. So I don't plan on driving this through lakes and rivers anymore. From now on, I'm just gonna stop when it gets about that deep. So I'm in the engine bay here. Here, I'll spin you around. So the engine bay in this little truck is right above the front tires. And underneath the passenger seat. And there's my intake right here. That thing. And I just need to keep it about that size. And then just route it, I think, down into the front somewhere. Oh, I didn't show you guys this. Hey, check this out. This is one of my favorite parts of this truck. Last night I put my interior back together, so I got my seats and all that in. And my horn. Oh, I love it. Oh, this thing just makes me beam. Love it. Yeah. It's the very best of it is if you're ever driving past little kids and they give you the arm pump, like burp, burp, and then you hit them with the awooga, they always get so happy about it. So it's staying. Like on all of my trucks are going to have awoogas. This one for sure has to have an awooga in it. So last night I got that in. And, here, all the lights are working now. So we'll turn this on. So, close this. I'll hold it back once. And down the side. Oh, my beautiful truck. Oh, I love this truck. Got my my lights working. They had a bad connection, so they were not cooperating. But now I'm missing one piece here for the front, and I'm missing one of these. I don't know what I did with it. Like really all the parts that I've had off this truck and for how long it's been to lose 2 or 3 parts, pretty good odds. I'll take them. So I gotta fix this this intake. This intake sucks. Like this thing here cannot go back in. So I'm gonna make something a little bit more professional. The box had so much junk in it. Like just absolute filled with junk. So I'm cleaning it up. Now it looks like this. I'm gonna keep on cleaning. Oh, there's a huge pile on the floor. It's everywhere. But I'm cleaning her up. And then I bought one of these big supersized turbo cans of paint. So we're gonna try that tonight, see how it does. Okay. Shake the Jesus out of this. I'm trying one of these Rust-Oleum Ultimate Black. Okay, Ultimate Black. Get it together, man. Get it together. My kinky wrist don't move right. Stick this tape down a little better. Let's see what this does. That's pretty awesome. Oh.
But you can't even smell that stuff.
No, that's way better, right?
Yeah. Holy fuck, that comes out with some authority, eh?
Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, that's all in one shot.
It's fucking wicked.
It is. That makes it sound nice.
Yep. You didn't cook your paint with the tire torch? No?
What?
You didn't cook your paint with the tire torch?
No, I don't think so. Oh. Well, that's pretty much a can right there, though. Whatever, that was like 5 minutes. Deadly! Woohoo! So, what do you guys think of that? Hey? Is that deadly? That was like 5 minutes. 5 minutes, 1 can of paint. I ran out of paint, so there's just a little bit left. But like that was 5 minutes. You watched it real time. Hey? Isn't that deadly? Woo woo! Okay, I'm gonna call it a night. This paint stinks, so I'm gonna get out of here. And I'll be